Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and this video is all about easy Indian wedding makeup tutorial. So keep watching, and if you are here for the first time and if you like this video, please like it, share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So let's just dive in. So I went ahead and already moisturized my face, and now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Just 2 to 3 pumps and applying all over my face and on my neck. Next up, I'm using this soft matte long wear Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm in the shade 300, and using a wet beauty blender I'm applying it all over my face and on my neck. And now dab 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 and applying it throughout my entire face, my forehead, neck, under eye area and on my next neck. Up, I'm using this setting powder from Fenty Beauty again, and I'm in the shade Cashew. Using this brush, I am applying it all over my face and on my neck as well. This next step is totally optional. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I'm in the shade NC41. Next up, to contour my face, I'm using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm applying it under my chin area and again blending it very nicely. And now under my jawline, on both sides of my face, and on my forehead, around the corners of my forehead. And now again blending it very nicely throughout. Next up, I'm using this um, palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and it is from their holiday collection, and I'm using the Snow Kissed highlighter and Prize blusher on the apples of my cheeks. Such a beautiful and gorgeous color, and also this palette is very easy to carry on in your bag. I totally love it because it's so compact and the colors are really beautiful, as you can already see on the screen. And now I'm applying it onto my forehead as well, just to add a little bit shimmer. And now next up, I am contouring my nose using a very small brush and highlighting the bridge of my nose. Next up, for my brows, I am using the Great Brow Basics from Benefit Cosmetics and the Goof Brow Pencil from the same for easy and fast filling of my eyebrows. This is such a beautiful pencil, and for reference purposes, I am in the shade 4. And now I am using the Gimme Brow for full volume instantly. It is like a brow mascara for your eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Sassy Siennas, which I received in my BoxyCharm, and this is from Dose Cosmetics. And now I'm using a brown shade all over my lid and blend. And now on the other side as well. Now I'm using another palette called Celestial Thunder. This again I got in my BoxyCharm, and I'm using this gorgeous pink color all over my eyelid and beautifully blending it throughout. Such a gorgeous color. I really love this palette. Now I'm topping it up with some pink shimmery eyeshadow, such a beautiful shimmer, and now some little bit of silver eyeshadow. This again is a very beautiful color, and I'm applying the same on the corner of my eyes. Last but not the least, I'm using the Tartist eyeliner from Tarte Cosmetics in the shade black. Such a gorgeous color and very easy to apply on. It glides so smoothly. As you guys can already see, I really love it, and it's my go-to eyeliner. Next up, I'm using my favorite lipstick from MAC, and this is my favorite Flat Out Fabulous. I really love it. Such a gorgeous color. Now I'm using a Too Faced mascara to top up my eye look. Such a gorgeous one. And to finish up the look, I'm using a pink bindi and using some sindoor as well. And that's my final look. Such a gorgeous one, isn't it? I really love it. For more such amazing content, like this video, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead.